Hello, everyone. Today, I'm showing you the absolute fastest way to sign up for Binance. It's the world's largest exchange, and while it looks complex, we're going to breeze through it together. First things first, look at the link in the description. If you use that specific link to sign up, you'll get a 50% fee payback and up to $600 in rewards applied to your account. It's a huge head start, so make sure you click that before we begin. All right, let's get into it. First, we need to create your account. Go ahead and click that link below the video now. It'll take you directly to the official Binance sign-up page. You can choose to sign up using your email address or your mobile phone number. Go ahead and enter your details now. Once you've done that, make sure to check the small box to agree to the terms of service. Now, click that big Continue button at the bottom. At this point, Binance is going to send a 6-digit verification code to the email or phone number you just provided. Open up your inbox, find that code, and type it right into the boxes on your screen. Click Continue. Easy enough, right? Next up is your password. Your password needs to be at least 8 characters long. It also must contain at least one number and at least one uppercase letter. I'd recommend making it something unique that you don't use anywhere else. Now, once you hit Continue, your account is officially created. If an inviter code screen pops up, just double check that the code is there to ensure your bonuses are active. If it's blank, you can re-enter it there before completing the sign-up. And just like that, the first major step is out of the way. Now, we move on to a very important step. KYC identity verification. You actually have to complete this verification if you want to deposit funds, withdraw your profits, or trade on the platform. Since this part requires a face scan, I highly recommend switching over to your mobile phone. Go ahead and install the Binance app from your app store and log in with the account we just made. Once you log in, you should be taken directly to the verification screen. Confirm your nationality, and then you'll need to choose which ID you want to use. You can use an ID card, a driver's license, or a passport. Select Take Pictures and click Continue. You'll need to snap a clear photo of the front and back of your ID. Try to avoid any glare and make sure it fits perfectly inside the frame. After that, it's time for the face scan. Once that's done, just quickly confirm your personal details like your name, date of birth, hit that Continue button. Occupation, and hit that Continue button. And industry, and hit that Continue button. The review is super fast, usually under 5 minutes, and you can check your status on your profile screen. We're almost there. Next is setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Head back to your PC for this. Navigate to your account menu on the left and click Security. You'll see an option for Authenticator app. Click Manage right next to it. Click Enable, verify your identity one last time via email or phone, and a QR code will pop up. Now on your phone, download the Google Authenticator app. Open it up, click Get Started, and then select Use without signing in for maximum privacy. Tap Add a code, and then scan a QR code. Scan that code on your PC screen, and boom, you'll see a 6-digit Binance OTP code. Go back to your PC, then click Next, and type in the 6-digit code currently showing on your phone. Hit Submit, and you are officially locked down and secure. Your Google OTP is active. And that's it. That concludes our tutorial on how to get started with Binance. Please leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching.